this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hill assist system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with 2017 ILX. The luxury in the new Acura ILX includes leather heated seats and a powerful array of voice command and high-end technological advancements, while being powered by a high-performance engine that propels this compact sports sedan quicker than you may expect. If enjoying the drive is something important to you, then the ILX might be the one you are looking for, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned, once an Acura, always an Acura.